Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's move on to the next problem. Well, this is easy kind of problem, and what is the new thing we are doing? Operation should run on leaf nodes. I guess we have to operate something on all the leaf nodes. So let's see what the problem goes. Let's see the level problem. Lead code 4 not 4. Sum of left leaves. Given the root of a binary tree, return the sum of all left leaves. A leaf is a leaf is a node with no children. A left leaf is a leaf. The T is the left child of another node. Okay, you have to calculate all the sum of left nodes, which is 9 and 15, I guess. Well, let's see. Uh, well, I guess we can do DFS and DFS, but DFS is the much better way to do this. Yes. If not, no return 0. If not, no dot left or no dot right, then return dot value. F equals to DFS of no dot left no dot right. So here we have to return left. So but returning left won't cut this out, so we have to do addition, right? So we go to the left 9. It will return the no value. We'll go back. We have 9 in the left, the right, and then left. Well, it will return no value. Left is 9 here. How do we do the accumulation? Well, one thing we can do is we can create extra variable outside, which is helpful for the accumulation, but I'm sure dot on say nine, huh? Zero plus left here is nine. You're right. Well, seems like this is working fine, so let's submit it. Before that, let's see the constants again. Well, let's see. I guess we don't. So let's go. Oh shit. That's what I thought. So that's it. Well, we have to add the left nodes only. Yep, 3 for 2015, 20 and 15, 3 and 9. Oh, sorry. At 3 we got 9, at 20 we got 15. That's great. Well, let do We got 4 and at 1 we got 4. Got it guys. This one, cut it out. What if we keep a current? Well, it will be helpful only for, but I bet there is a way to do it. We'll turn the left plus DFS, right plus DFS. Let's nine down and 4. I got an idea. Let's do one thing. Root Well, seems like it is working fine. So let's try submitting again and let's see how this will go. Well, this worked fine. Sorry. And it seems like an optimal solution too. So let's start discussing the intuition. Well, it's a basic DFS where we are checking the left and right nodes. If it is a left node, we are returning the value, or else we are returning 0, and we are adding left plus right. If the node is a right node, I mean right leaf, then we will get a 0 which we add here. And if it is a left node, we will get a left leaf node, will get a value which will be added right here, and whatever the values you'll get from the right side will get the left nodes from the right side, and we'll get the left nodes from the left side, and all the values will be added right here and submitted here. So I hope you guys understood the illusion. If you like the video, upload it and share it with your friends, and comment for better reads, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for choosing the channel. We'll meet you again with another video. Until then, keep learning and keep pushing hard. Thank you for choosing the channel again, guys. Goodbye, and keep pushing hard and keep learning.